My name is Mr. Bhaveshkumar Rane and Pasi. I, and my co-authors, Dr. Subhash K. Mahajan and Dr. Santosh B. Rane, have recently published the article, A Method for Performing Forging Operation, A Perspective of Industry 4.0 in the journal, Recent Patents on Mechanical Engineering. The article covers research on cold forging operation which is done on small as well as large scale in manufacturing industries. These industries are facing problems such as higher rejection rate of the final product, low productivity, the high number of accidents during production, etc. The purpose of this research work is to develop a voice-assisted forging system, VAFS, with a lower rejection rate, higher productivity, and lower number of accidents during production. The VAFS includes a forging assembly with a frame assembly for supporting a die adapted to hold a workpiece. The forging assembly includes an actuating unit adapted to apply pressure on the workpiece positioned on the die. Further, the VAFS includes a voice module configured to receive voice input. The VAFS includes one processor in communication with the voice module and the actuating unit. The processor is configured to determine an action to be performed on the forging assembly based on the voice input received by the voice module. The processor is configured to operate the actuating unit to apply pressure on the workpiece to perform the forging operation. It is found that after implementation of the VAFS the average rejection count is reduced by 90.3%. The operational productivity is increased by 71.2%, and process accuracy is increased from 92.75% to 99.30%. Also, the number of accidents is reduced to zero. In comparison with the manual forging operation, the VAFS occupies less space, and it is easy to operate. Thank you.